Yo, it's just me back at it again on another video. So let's get right into it. This is update on the car search. So y'all know I wanted a Plum Crazy or B5 Blue, Scat Pack, or Daytona. So I wanted that. I mean, same amenities. I either wanted 6-piston brakes. I mean, heated and cooled seats, Alcantara leather. The Alcantara seats with the Scat Pack logo. Heated and cooled seats, sunroof, some stuff like that, regular stuff. So couldn't find no B5 or Plum Crazy. I only found either black, white, blue mango, and dark. I think blue. I think. So this lot out. This lot that's like 40 minutes away from me, guys. A Go Mango Hellcat. They want 58,000 for it. Let's write this down. 58K. They have a Go Mango Daytona 392. 48K. They have a black fully loaded Scat 2017. Got the adaptive cruise control, the lane departure warning, heated and cooled seats, Alcantara. They got the Beats audio, and some other stuff. That one is 41K. Then they got a white one, just look exactly like mine's. Has everything except the adaptive cruise control, and I believe it don't have Beats, or I think it does have the Beats, but it's white. You got the sunroof and everything. I think that one 39K. So first, Hellcat is out of the situation. I'm only saying Hellcat is out of the situation because I want to have my own crib or something before I have a Hellcat. I don't want to be living with my mom and have a Hellcat. I mean, that's a whole different ball game and price bracket. So we down with the black. No, we'll be down with the Go Mango 392 Daytona. That's 48,000. The black one, the black Scat, that's 41, and the white one, that's 39. All right, so first, the Go Mango Daytona might be out because that's damn near 50K, but it got to 2018 with 3,000 miles. The black one, 2017 with 20,000, and the white one has around 20 or 30,000 miles. So my man's already got Go Mango out. It's not a problem. I have the same color, but I mean, so it's, I don't want that. So it's out of the black one and the white one. The black one is 41K, has everything that fully loaded, and the white one is 39K. So 2 more thousand, I can have a fully loaded Scat with 20,000 miles. I'm not going to insert the link. Get my channel, steal my shit. So that's what I'm trying to get. That's my goal. I'm trying to get that by November 16th. Trying to. I'm trying to get that. And man. So let's update on the little car search. I found the car I wanted. What I want. They got a Jeep there, but the Jeep like 60,000, some shit like that. So I'm just gonna grade the black Scat, or the black or the white Scat. You feel me? Both same car, but the fully loaded one, I'm trying to shoot for that one first, and we just gonna go from there. So I'm stacking my bread, and then I'm gonna go get it. How many days until November 16th? Let's check. Hey Siri, how many days until November 16th?
It's 34 days until then.
34 days. Countdown. 34 days. So 34 days. I'm trying to stack like 4,500. I mean, listen, this is all me. I don't make no bread off YouTube yet. This is all me. So be real transparent with y'all. Stack like 4,500. And then I'm gonna go get the car. I might vlog the experience, you know. It might be a whole movie that day, cause it's gonna be something different. But like, comment, subscribe. We going up from here, man. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend to share the video, share the content, watch the content, enjoy the content, browse through the channel. We got different things. Go check out my other scat that I had that I crashed. I got a video on that. Got a video when I bought it. Got a video on what was on it, and everything. But this video over, man. Shout out to my guy, Famous Nobody. Shout out to him. So yeah, man. I'm out this John. Be safe out here, everybody. 2020 looking real bad for as a whole. There's some good in it, but there's also some bad. So I keep looking up. If you see me looking up, I'm looking at the little, I got the camera so nice, I'm looking at the screen. So I need to look right here. So you know what I mean? Be safe out here, everybody.